Hi friends, welcome back to our another video. In this video we will know how to install Postman for API testing and building your API. Um, Now without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for downloading Postman, just simply search Postman download, and here you will get first link of Postman official website www.postman.com. Click here, and if you have Windows, then just click on Windows 64-bit. Here your Postman exe file is downloading. It will take some time. After downloading the Postman setup file, just click on setup file and run. Okay, your Postman is installing. And congratulations guys, you have successfully downloaded the Postman API tester for testing your API. Just click here and paste your URL, API URL, and select the request type, such like get, post, put, patch, delete. If you want a detailed video on how to test APIs, then please do comment. I will make a dedicated video on that. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.